So now let's see how we can work around with classic Cine style and color cycle effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a footage, and in order to apply the classic Cine style to this, I'm going to go around under effects right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and scroll down right here until I find color grading. So over here you can see that color grading is an option, and over here you can see that classic Cine style is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out right here, then you get the Cine style applied right here, the classic Cine style, where you can go around and choose classic cinema styles right here, like there's Kodak right here. As you can see, there's like On the Show right here, there's like Toll of the Sea and so forth, and you can see that you get the classic look on that film right here. You can go around and increase around the S-curve, change around the exposure right here, change around the saturation just like this, and that is what you have. You can go around and change around the color over here just like this as well, and change around the focus over here just like this. You can go around and change around the green over here just like this, and then change around the scene as well. And then you can see that you have the letterbox format right here that you can go around and work with and change around the offset. And also you can work around with the vignette option, as you can see right here just like this, and this is what you have right here. So this is how you can go around and apply our classic Cine style. Another thing that you can do is you can go around and add in color cycle. So if I were to go around over here in color cycle, you can go around and keep this in right here, and then you can see that color cycle is an option right here. You can go around and choose different channels right here, like hue and then or the lightness right here, and then change around the phase shift, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. So that is the cycle. You can choose the number of color and choose around the color that you want to cycle over here just like this as well. Choose around the color 2 right here just like this, and then this is what you have, as you can see. You can go around and arrange it out. So you can go around and change around the cycle repetition over here as well, and then effect out certain channels over here as well, and blend it out with original, as you can see. So there's many options, as you can see, that you can experiment right here, as you can see, just like this. And you can go around and change around the number of colors, change around alpha and so forth just like this, and change around the phase. So that is how you can work around with classic Cine style and color cycle option inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.